I haven't made these in a long time, and today I'm making butterscotch peanut butter cornflake cookies. And of course, these are no bake. And I've got a bowl over a pot of water to melt the butterscotch chips. And after I get all of that melted, I will add in a half a cup of peanut butter. And that's 11 ounces of peanut butter, or I'm sorry, butterscotch chips. And a half a cup of peanut butter. And I'll continue heating that over the pot of water until it's all melted well. And then I'm going to add in 4 cups of corn flakes, and I'm just adding 2 cups at a time. Makes it a little easier to mix that way. And this takes a little bit of time to mix all that in there. Not too long though, just a few minutes. After you get all that mixed well, just spread that in a dish. I barely lightly oiled a baking dish, just enough so it wouldn't stick. And then I put those in the refrigerator to chill. Enjoy these, and I'll see you next time.